Good morning mga ka-soilmate at kapwa ko retirees. Today is March 7. I just wanted you to see the beautiful hellebores. Ito yung late winter plants na very strong, no? Kahit matamaan ng snow. Nagtaka ko, very healthy siya ngayon. Ito ang isa. I got ito pink hellebores mixed with white. Ito naman fuchsia. Yan, ang ganda, diba? Ito pa isa, pero ito isa hindi masyadong healthy. So lumabas na rin yung small daffodils. Yan, tapos yung tulip coming up, yung winter, yung joy. Yan, siguro by later. Ito, tignan nyo to. Ito, another. Ito din, hellebores. I didn't know that a number of my hellebores keep growing kahit na nagkaroon na too much snow this year. I mean, tapos ito yung isa ko pang elephant ear. Ito pang isang hellebore. So I actually have yung Finland ko dito mga 5 yan or 6, pero iba namatay, iba na buhay. Ito yung camellia. So the buds are coming. So nakikita nyo yung buds. Dami niya ng buds, small buds yan. Usually lalabas to ng yung flowers niya pink. Yung pa yung hellebores ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I got 5 hellebores. And then, ito yung aking magnolia. Look at the magnolia. Meron na siyang buds. Yan. So, this is the garden right now. Medyo hindi pa siya ganun kaganda. And, but, better siya than last year kasi naayos ng anak ko. So eventually lalabas na yung mga tulips. Ayan. So marami pa akong cleaning na gagawin dito bago talagang naasikaso. So itong mga candy tops. Ito yung candy tops ko. O yan. Later makikita nyo all white yan. Wow, nakita nyo to. Lumabas na yung new growth ng mga head, bushes. I forgot the name of this one. Tapos may crocus, pero isa lang yung nakita nyo yung purple na yun sa ilalim. Namatay na yan dati. Ang dami-dami yan. So ito yung japonica ko. Siguro later, mabubuhay ito. Kasi nakikita ko may mga buds coming out. Pero mukhang patay na siya, no? Ganyan yan Alam mo patay. Even this one. You look as if it's dead. But by middle of March, lalabas na yun. Kasi nakalabas na yung mga red, Kala mo patay, Kung bago ka maghalaman, you're going to cut this one pero I know they're coming back. Ito yung japonica ko. Talagang ito tinanim namin 2 weeks after we moved here. So almost 10 years na siya. Kasi 10 years na kami rito by November. Mukhang namamatay yung isa kong cedar. Siguro I have to spray this with something. Itong aming pang-fence na cedar. Kasi mabuti na to kasi malapit kami sa intersection. So, parang ang cedar tree will help to control kung meron ng sasakyang dadaan at mag-break in. At least, mabibrake siya kasi matitigas na to mga cedar. And then, we have the headers. Ito. Yung headers, yung mga cone shape. Ang asawa ko ang nag-cone shape. So, makikita nyo, there is a brown bark I placed to protect them from the snow, which is nakatulong, kaya maganda. So that's all for now. Maglilinis pa ako rito sa sa place ko. Yan, ganda yan. So bye for now. I'm Lucas again from Langley, BC. PM nyo lang ako if you have question about plants, at kung alam ko I will answer. Thank you for viewing. Bye.